Everybody, hola and welcome to another showcase video. We have another Johnny Lightning 2-packs. Previously I've shown the 2-packs of the import hits, and now I've got the Gulf delivery 2-packs. Yes it is. And just to show what? Courtesy of GP Jones. Follow him on Facebook page. Yes it is. Many diecasts in there. You said Johnny Lightning, Car Culture, what else? The Tarmac Works, Green Light, M2. So follow the Facebook page of GP Jones. Yes it is, especially in Malaysia. He's a local here, my good friend GP Jones. Okay, back to the showcase. Johnny Lightning Gulf 2-packs, but that's not all. Yes it is, because another Gulf. So I'll be showcasing these three cars. The 2-packs, the 2005 Ford GT, 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 302, and the singles here is the 1963 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport Hobby Exclusive, one of 3,000. Wow. I know some of you like the Gulf delivery, the baby blue, the orange, right? And some tidbits, facts for the Gulf. Interesting read there. Love it. Love it. Same at the back. We've seen the import hit, and now it's the Gulf. Street freaks. Yep. Really like this packaging. Many things to read on. Yeah, Johnny Lightning pays tribute to the most famous colors in racing. Look at that. Awesome. Awesome Johnny Lightning. And here's the Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport. Corvette Grand Sport. Fuel facts. Metal body, metal base. And here's at the back here. Cruise on with these other hobby exclusives. Nice. Chevy Impala, Pontiac Catalina. And for those who didn't know, Johnny Lightning chase cars are called White Lightning. Look at that. Yup. 2% of our entire production are White Lightnings. Nice. So let's take a look at the loose version. Kasi loose, definitely not this card. I will not touch it. No. Let's take a look. This is the 2005 Ford GT. Similar to the ones Matchbot does, right? In the, what is it called? Globe Travelers. Using the same delivery, same cars, right? And I'm not so sure it's the same wheels. Yeah. But this glossy finish, and the Matchbox one is matte finish. I don't have the cars with me right now, so kind of shame, so that we can compare on it. Yep. Look at that. Nice wheels, Ford GT Gulf. Tail lights, and can sneak a peek at the engine at the back there. Wow. No opening features. Yep. It's the dark interior, black interior, and a roll cage, I believe. Yeah. The wheels are plastic, unfortunately. It's not the rubber wheels. Just like the R34 in the previous video, the plastic are weird. The plastic are wheels. What? The wheels are plastic, but still awesome looking. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Okie dokie. Next is the Boss 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 302 in Golf. Look at that. Let's take a closer look. Focus it up a bit. License wheels, a Goodyear. Tires, yep. Too small. What does it say? I cannot read it. Yeah, definitely too small. Just the Goodyear part. Polyglass, something like that. Number 70. And there's a opening features. I can see the engine. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Dark interior. Nice car. And the license plate, is it called the license plate? Golf. Simple license plate Golf, but it's just pack there, pack. Golf. Yep, to those who love the Golf, definitely an item to find. Let's take a spin, one spin, and lastly, Corvette Grand Sport Golf, but sporting in white with a blue stripe. Look at that. Wow. Rubber tires. Yep, licensed rubber tires. Goodyear. Nice rims there. And I believe it has opening features, but I don't think I can take it. I don't think I can take it out. So sad. So sad. It's all Golf. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Not a JDM, doesn't matter. Buy what you want. It is still Golf, right? Yep. So again, thank you to my good friend GP Jones for giving me the opportunity to showcase this. Wow, Johnny Lightning, I am impressed, definitely. So subscribe, give a thumbs up, and hopefully more Johnny Lightnings to come. Talk to you later. See you soon. Bye.